how the sound is you hear it best when I get closer. So this is the sound of his beautiful bike, Just sitting idling in. Okay. Now pay attention here when I bring it closer inside. And it seems, yeah, I don't know what it is.